Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari and today we are cracking open one of the most powerful SEO tools out there, Semrush. And I'll show you exactly how to find long tail keywords that will help you dominate niche audience and crush your SEO goals. And if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and we've got some game-changing tips every week for you. All right, and guys, if in case you would like to start your own profitable online business, you can please visit the second link from the description, get registered and watch my free masterclass. Now let's dive in. All right guys, now first log into Semrush or you can directly sign up, and if in case you are new to Semrush, you can find a free trial link from the first link in the description where you are going to grab a 7 days of complete free trial. And guys, let's head over straight forward to the keywords magic tool once you're signed up, and this is your keyword goldmine. Let's say your niche is prompt engineering. Okay, type that in and boom, you'll see thousands of keyword ideas over there. But here is the trick: filter from long tail terms, set the word count to 3+ words, adjust the search volume to low to medium, like 100 to 1000 monthly searches, and target keywords with a keyword difficulty nothing but KD percentage below 50%. For example, Instagram prompt generator might have a keyword density of 16%. Way easier to rank for that broad terms like Instagram prompt generator. Alright guys, now let's dig deeper. Click into keywords overview for your seed keywords, and here Semrush shows you who's ranking for terms like prompt generator. And there is a spoiler alert guys, it's sites like originality.ai. But look closer, the SERP analysis reveals gaps. Okay, maybe searches like AI prompt generator are underrated. Create content over there. Then jump into the topic research tool, type prompt engineering, and Semrush generates subtopics like AI prompt generator or ChatGPT prompt generator along with the long tail questions. So guys, they are ready-made content ideas for your next YouTube video or blog. So if you are ready to level up, Semrush position tracking lets you monitor ranking for your long tail keywords over time. Say art prompt generator drops from page 1, you'll get an alert to fix it. The keyword gap tool is even sneaker guys. Compare your site to competitors and steal their untapped keywords. For example, if a rival ranks for logo prompt generator but you don't, add it to your list. And don't sleep on content template tools. Paste your long tail keywords and Semrush drafts an SEO friendly outline with word count, readability tips, and even competitor headers to inspire your script. So guys, before you go, here is how to maximize long tail keywords. First one is localize them. Second, update seasonally. And third, pair with advertisements. Bid on low cost, high intent phrases like cheap movie tickets near me. And yes, the free plan has limits guys, but upgrading to Semrush Pro unlocks exports, historical data, and advanced filters. Trust me, it's worth it. So guys, if this video is helpful, drop a yes in the comments and share your favorite Semrush hack. And if you want a tutorial on crushing competitors with Semrush, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe guys. And also there is a free bonus in the third link in the description. I request you to visit that link, get registered, and get a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.